there everyone. I'm going to be making a YouTube video on my Swagway unboxing. Alright, let's get started. Oh, nice box. These are just like the strips and stuff, the bumpers that you can put on the bike. Yeah, that one too. Yeah, these are some nice quality bumpers. Here, I think one opened. Oh yeah, a little bit. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Alright, here's the instruction manual. Ooh, power cable. Alright. Charger, yeah. User's manual.
Everything is red, I guess.
Thank you for your purchase of the Swagway ×1. To ensure your safety and safety of others, please read and follow these instructions. Happy riding. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's the charger. Let's go, boy. That is nice. Oh, this is very nice. Very nice and legit.
Yep.
Alright, let's throw this stuff over here. Okay, that's weird. Let's throw this stuff over here. Oh god, there's screws. That doesn't make me feel too good. Here, put this stuff back inside the box. Alright, go, put it inside the box. Let's see. Oh shoot! I think I broke it. There it is. There it is. Oh, it smells nice, dude.
It smells like rubber.
Okay, I like that smell. Dude, this thing is awesome. This is where the bumpers go so that it doesn't get scraped. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna take it out. Oh my god, the stupid. Here, hold the camera. Alright. Oh god. Oh shoot.
God, it's heavy.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Real template.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to fully take it out of the box yet, so this is all I can show right now. I think I might make another video later about me riding it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and peace out.